are we staying strong on the idea of deportations for all illegals, or have we moved to criminal illegal aliens as a focus?
No, we're staying focused on all illegals without question. In fact, I don't know why Greg is putting that question out. If he wanted to call me, he could call and talk to me about it. I haven't had a conversation with him. It's very frustrating when people want to drive from the back seat. The truth is, we're purposely trying to be a little bit more quiet. I made this very clear when we were moving forward with my nomination that I wanted to get DHS out of the headlines so our ICE agents, our CPP agents, and all the other law enforcement agencies we have underneath DHS could go do their job without being harassed by the media. That doesn't mean we're slowing down even a little bit. In fact, just yesterday, we arrested over 1,900 individuals. We have over 60,000 individuals that are currently being detained, going through the process of being deported. Last week, we deported over 2,700. We're getting slowed down a little bit because of some of our court issues. We're working through that. But we haven't missed a beat. We're still on track, pushing as hard as we can. We just are doing it in a different way by using local law enforcement to work with